What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on Instagram. Okay, so before I get into the content though, welcome to my channel. If you are not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I'm coming out with consistent content teaching you how you can create a life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Okay, how you can live your life how you want to on your own means and make an unlimited amount of money. And I'm going to be open and honest and show you my journey with trying to create this same exact life. All right. So go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and leave a positive comment below. I would be greatly appreciated. And if you're already subscribed to my channel and you're coming back and watching another video, thanks for being one of my supporters. I really do appreciate you. Let's continue to help each other out. If you want to reach out for a collaboration, feel free to do that also. All right. Also, before I get there, at any time on this video, go ahead and check the links out in the description. That gives you a lot of tools and resources to create that life that you want. All right. So Instagram. I'm pretty sure if you're on this video, you're looking to make some kind of money. All right. So I will start out first. Number one, yes, you can make money on Instagram. All right. You can make money just about, oh, 1 second, please. You can make money just about anywhere online. But just focusing on Instagram, I would go to Instagram, right? And then look at some of the hashtags out there. What kind of niche are you in? Pick a particular niche topic or something that you're interested in, or it can be anything. Generally, you like to stick with health, wealth, and relationships, right? Those are kind of the niches that you want to stick with because they're evergreen niches. And evergreen means they're niches that people will always be looking to solve problems within, all right? So it's not trendy, which means one day they're looking at it, one day they're not. No, this is something you can make money 24/7 throughout the entire year for years to come, all right? So you first want to pick a particular niche. And so for this video, I'm going to stick with to make money online, all right? So when you go to Instagram, search in the Explorer. You can go to the Explorer, or you can just go to the search if you're on or to computer, or to the Explorer, or also the search on your phone. And then type in hashtag. We're going to type make money online. Okay. And we can see that there's 1.6 million posts on Instagram that deal with make money online. Okay. So it is very competitive, but don't let that scare you. Generally, you want to stick with a niche that's not so competitive, so it gives you a better likelihood of, reaching a targeted audience, and you don't have a lot of competition, right? But you can always compete in any particular niche, okay? But you have to take action, you have to be consistent, and you have to research just to see what others are doing and what's working in your market. Okay, so I typed in the make money online niche, and I'm just going to look at some of the posts. Here's some of the top posts that has that hashtag make money online. Here has 1,064 likes and 25 comments. You generally want to stick around the comments. If there's a lot of comments, that means that this particular post is going viral, right? Or it's getting a lot of engagement. Okay. Here's another one. This one is another one. Is a lot of engagement here, a lot of engagement on that one too. So if you take a look and see what other people are doing to get a lot of engagement, because the strategy here is to create an Instagram account around that particular niche. Let's say you're doing fitness, create a fitness Instagram. If you're making money online, create a make money online or online entrepreneurship business Instagram. If it's about gardening, make a gardening Instagram. Whatever your niche is about, make that Instagram account centering around that niche. Okay. And then after you do that, you want to come to a site like ClickBank, which offers a lot of products for affiliate marketers like myself and like who you could be, earn commissions off of what you sell. Okay. So let's go to the e-business and e-marketing, aka make money online, since that's the niche we're picking for this video. I'm not going to go in and show you how to pick a good product. You can check out one of my other videos on my channel. So go ahead and go there and subscribe, because I'm going to come back and show you this later. But I tend to stick to Gravity. So Gravity being, this is how this product has been selling a lot lately. Okay. So let's say we're going to pick affiliate bots, or I don't like affiliate bots. Let's do Traffic Ivy. And we want to promote this. Okay. What we can do is, once we have our account on Instagram, we're going to make a post similar to these. Like, all you need to start an online business, or an eye-catching, photo or post that is, stands out, but also offers some kind of value. Okay. So like we can look at this post here and kind of recreate this. And my suggestion to recreate this is to go to canva.com. So you can go to Canva and you can create your own posts, your own kind of, deep art or whatnot. Like, go to create a design, Instagram post, right? And you can just kind of make it how you want to, and make it eye catching, make it, stand out. But don't just copy what these people are doing, because you're just going to be exactly like them and not stand out, but something similar. All right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use these same hashtags that this post is using. All right. But you can see there's a lot of comments, DONED. So some of these comments are not real, engagement. But it doesn't mean we can't do the same thing. So we can use these same hashtags, post it on Instagram, and in the comments, we'll go just like this: looking to start the business of your dreams while making money, with one of the most innovative systems out there. If you're passionate to become a millionaire, no, we're not going to definitely say this, but you can say something similar. And then after they read this, you'll say, hey, look at my link in the bio, and that shows you a product that is helping people make money online, right? And once you get engagement, likes, and comments, you'll get a commission based off that person going to your link that you directed them to in your post, and they purchase. You get a commission off of what they purchase. Okay. And it's that simple. So making money on Instagram is possible. So yes, you can make money on Instagram. Just look at what's out there, create an account on a particular topic or niche, be consistent with post engaging photos that also offer value. And in the description of your post, ask them a question. And then after you ask them a question, give them the answers to that question with going to the link in your bio. And the link in your bio would be a affiliate link to a particular product. Okay. You don't have to use ClickBank. You can go on Amazon and pick a physical product, or you can go on JVZoo. They also have a lot of affiliate marketing products. Or you can go to, you can be an affiliate marketer, just like the product that I'm promoting. The product that I'm promoting will teach you how to make $300 per day. And so with the make money online niche, you can have a post like this that says, learn how to make $300 per day with my improvement system. Check out my system in the link in my bio, and bam. So, and that's it. So making money on Instagram, I wouldn't say it's easy, but it is easy to do as long as you are consistent and you take action and are consistent. Okay. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If it gave you some type of value, if it gave you anything, go ahead and like it, and don't forget, subscribe to this channel, and comment below if you're using this method and if this method works out for you. All right. Thanks for watching this. Kalen Bryant out.